Good afternoon, good evening. Right now it's about 6:18 and today's 13th of August 2020. So how are you guys? We had such a massive day today at Stock Pro. I'm sure those who are present on my channel in Telegram, they must have experienced the power of Stock Pro research. So I'm your host, Dr. Seema, and right now I'm a SEBI registered research analyst, founder and chief mentor at Stock Pro, partner with Zerodha, Upstocks, Fires and Asta Trade. And if you want to get in touch with our team, this is our Telegram channel, right? This is website, Facebook, Twitter. You can call on WhatsApp, you can call on phone number, and you can follow me on the YouTube. So these are the various ways you can get in touch with us. And at the same time, what I want to do, I want to take you to I'm going to just discuss topic in a minute, but before that I would like you to be here on my channel. So this is my Telegram channel, Stock Pro Official, with about 252,000 members. And I want to show you a few stocks that I have given, just a very few stocks. And look at the, poll that people have done. 211 people have made money, right? So the stock that I had given in the morning was Wenky's, right? This was my stock and I've given an entry at 1175. So let me just show you how Wenky's was and the beautiful blast it had. Look at the beautiful blast, right? It's got just only buyers, no sellers. If you notice here, our entry was somewhere here, right at the bottom, somewhere here. Just before this barrier, this past resistance was crossed. You know, as I told you always, crossing of the past resistances are very important, right? So when this barrier was crossed, that's when we entered into the stock. And look at the blast, it was in upper circuit, right? There was no exits, there was only buying in this particular stock. So and also, I would like you people to have a look at the channel and see how many stocks we provide. Barely any, one or two stocks, and those are bang on stocks. Your stop loss will not hit, you will have no, losses. Then the other stock I had given was BEML, and BEML have given a buy at 690, just above this, somewhere here. I have given a buying right at this place, and the moment it was given, it simply blasted to a place, or giving about 35 points, right? Almost like 5% return was given in few minutes. That's the power of Stock Pro research, right? So hope you all are minting money, and I just want you people to go back on my channel and see the trades that I have given you, right? You will be happy to notice the kind of movement those stocks have given, right? If you say this is IDFC First Bank, this was IDFC First Bank, and I had told on Friday itself to buy, but unfortunately the breakout didn't come on Friday, it came on Monday. So this is IDFC First Bank, no, this is Suntec. But just before that, you can see here, this is IDFC Limited, right? That's the stock I have given in this YouTube, and it's up by 30% from where I have given. Then the other stocks I had given you here, about a few days back, I have given expect 10% return from this sector. You must have seen what kind of return these stocks have given, right? Sun Pharma, Strides, Walkers. I'm going to make a video to explain you where they are. But this is another video that I had made about the tire sector, right? I mean, I'm just wanting you to appreciate the kind of bang on research we do. And what I mean, we do means I do, because it's just one person army. There is not many people involved in the research. I single-handedly do all the research. There are few reasons to it. One reason is that I don't trust anybody when I have to give trades, because it's a lot of people who trust my calls. So I don't trust on anybody for giving calls. So these are the stocks I had given for a 10% breakout. So let me have a look at it. How did they perform? C8. What happened to C8? Did it give a breakout? So C8 has not really given a decisive breakout, right? CEAT has not given a decisive breakout. JK Tires. JK Tires has also not crossed this. But look at Apollo Tires. Apollo Tires, when I had given, we were somewhere here, right? Somewhere I have, this is a 15 minutes graph. Let me make it a daily graph. And I had said that we will buy above this place, right? 119. It has made a high today of 133, right? And my idea was 10% return, which it has beautifully given more than that, right? That was one trade. Then I had given Balakrishna Industries, right? That was the second stock, fourth stock. That was the last stock that I had given. And the buying was above this place, 1369. I'm sure the video must be saying exactly where I have given a buy. Escorts. I don't know whether you watched it or not. Even Bosch had a breakout. Bosch had a beautiful breakout. See it? Apollo Tires. So I've given a buy C here, right? This place 119.5. Now it is at 133. And about Balakrishna Industries, let me have a look. Where did I give a buy on Balakrishna Industries? 1355. So where does it stand? It made a high today of 1400, right? So 45 points move this has also given, right, which is about 3-4%. But in future stock, 3-4% is also not bad, right? Anyway, I have, today I have come with another slide to you, Nifty analysis and few stocks and sectors for tomorrow. So I'm going to bring you back here, and this is Nifty. And Nifty, according to me, is right now facing congestion, right? Because see here, this is a very strong gap, right? Crossing this will be a very, very Herculean task for Nifty. It's not going to be easy for Nifty to cross this gap, right? So Nifty is kind of preparing itself, right? Whichever way the breakout may come, but it's still waiting for, this breakout to come, right? So I would just bring it little down, a little bit more down. So right now we are, today Nifty closed at 11,300. 11,380 or 390 of 11,400 is a very strong resistance, right? Once Nifty crosses 11,550 on the closing basis, we can expect an up move till about this place, straight up move, right, without any hindrance, right? Or maybe at least 250 points or so will be a straight move up, right? So it's very, very important Nifty to cross this zone, which is, let me just color it up, right? Nifty has to cross this zone very convincingly, right? If this zone is crossed, then I'm definitely expecting a big move from Nifty. So that was this. Now some of the stocks for tomorrow. First stock is Voltas, right? Look at how the price is moving up, right? Now today it stands on a place where it's a trend line. If it's broken tomorrow, right? If this trend line broken tomorrow, can give a good move up, right? So I'm expecting above 622 a good breakout till about 640 it can be. Another stock that looks good to me on a buy side, I'm not on a sell side, is Jubilant Food. If it crosses up here 1920, I'm expecting a good move up, and at least till what point should it go up? At least 1981 is the next point that I can look for, right? The high of previous high, because this is a very, very important resistance, right? 1924 or 1925 is a very strong resistance. If this resistance broken, it has capacity to go up by almost 50 points in one shot. Then one sector today was on radar. I think I missed the news from PM, but I think there is some kind of a relief on the interest or something. So I saw movement in all the stocks which are finance stock, housing finance stocks. So SR Transfin, M&M Fin, Chola Fin, L&T Fin, LIC Housing Finance, Ujjivan, Equitas. I must add Equitas also. All of them had good move today, right? And I'm expecting some kind of a move in them tomorrow also. So from this segment, I have picked up LIC Housing Finance. So this is how it looks. Once again, maintaining the trend line. If this trend line is broken tomorrow, if this stock LIC Housing goes above 273, I'm expecting definitely a good move till about, if it goes above 272, my first target will be 277, the next target will be 287, then last target will be 293, and final target will be 300, right? These are going to be my targets for Ujjivan, for LIC Housing Finance. And my stop loss will be today's low, which is 267, right? So guys, if you find a gap up or gap down opening from the levels, I've given all the buy stocks. In case you find gap up or gap down opening, just leave that stock. We're not interested if it happens gap up or gap down. Let it come back, retrace to the levels that we are giving, buy it, or if it's gap up or gap down, just leave it. So another stock, the last stock for today, I'm giving you fourth stock, which is DLF, right? DLF looks pretty good to me, and I'm expecting it to give me a move above this place when this trend line is broken. Above 149 or 150, you can say, is a good point for us to buy. With the stop loss of 5 points, we can expect definitely 5-point move. So this could be our buying place. Our first target will be of about 1.1 points. The moment it crosses 150, our target will be straight away 154. Then our target will be 159, right? Those are going to be our targets for DLF. So with this, I'm signing off. A lot of good stock, a lot of good movement, and we are still holding Cummins India call, right? And look at the blast that Cummins had given today. It was a beautiful blast, and I'm expecting a bit more move in this stock. So take care, guys, and please be present on my Telegram channel, because I'm committed to give you profit every single day. You will just find one or two trades, and if you make profit, request you all to please share it with your family, your friend, and people who are losing money. Please share my channel with them. I'll be so happy with it. Thank you so much. I don't want anything in return for the hard work that I do, but I definitely want that more people who are losing money should be introduced to the channel, to the YouTube channel, as well as to the Telegram channel. So I need your support. Just rack your brain and reach out to every person whom you know, who's minting, who want to make money, and who's losing right now in the stock market. Take care. Bye bye. See you. All the best, and do good trading along with Stock Pro. Bye bye. Take care.